Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back. I have a tough binary puzzle solved, and the solution is not quite the same as the solution of the publisher, but this solution is also another solution. So 9 by 9 can also be the binary another solution. Let's talk about this tectonic, because this one is the last Sudoku I will solve for today, and this will be number 1892. Alright, and before I start, by the way, this tectonic is in today's newspaper of the additional in today's newspaper on Monday, November the 16th, 2020. Yes, this one is a 4 stars tectonic. So, wow, the publisher has impressed me with difficult ones. Normally here there are 3 stars they have printed, but this one 4 stars, so I'm curious. And the first question is, can we see the single box? I see here the single box. The single box is always a 1. That means those 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 4 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. That means those 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be here. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 boxes left in this quadrat box, the 2 and the 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 4. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. These 4 boxes surround the 4 cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. That means those 2 boxes cannot be a 2. The 2 could be here or could be there. Dual box, 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. That means those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, but also this box cannot be a 1, so the 1 goes in those 2 boxes. Here we have a dual box, 1 and a 2. That means I cannot place a 1 here, otherwise I cannot place any 1 in one of those 2 boxes, so the 1 should be here. This box cannot be a 1, that box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. The dual box, 1 and a 2. We have a 1 here, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Those 3 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here or there. That means those 2 boxes cannot be a 2, otherwise I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Then 2 boxes left, the 2 and a 5. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. Then this box should be a 1, because it cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 1. 2 boxes left, the 4 and the 5. Let me mark them, 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. This box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box cannot be a 1, that box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or could be there. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or there. This box cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here or there. This box cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here or there. 2 boxes left, the 3 and a 4. 3 and 4. That means this box cannot be 3 or 4 because I need a 3 and a 4 in one of those 2 boxes. Cannot be a 1, cannot be a 5, so definitely a 2. 2 left, yes. Now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2 and this should be a 1. Now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be 2 anymore. This should be the 2 and this should be a 1. We have a 2 here. That means those 4 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be a 2. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. This box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Let me see. This box should be a 1 because it cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 1. 2 boxes left, the 3 and a 5. Let me mark them. 3 and a 5. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. This box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. And I've eliminated the 1. The 1 should be here. This box should be a 5 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 4. Let me mark them. This box cannot be a this box I think it should be a 4 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, could be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4 and this should be a 2. 2 boxes left, the 5 and the 3. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be 4 anymore. This should be the 4 and this should be a 5. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here or could be there. Let me see. 1, 2. The difficult part, this one, yes. This box cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here or could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 4, 3 or 5, yes. Do I need to guess? That's the problem. To guess. I've done this also with the binary. 3. Alright, 3 and 4. 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. 2, 3, 5. I think this box should be 3 or 5. Can it be a 1? Can it be a 2? Can it be a 4? Yes. 1, 2, 3. This box should be 4 or 5. We have a 2 here, so this box can be a 2. This should be the 2. So I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 should be here. 4, 5 should be here. 4, 5. Is it 5? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. 4, 5, 3. I'm thinking. 3, 4. 3, 4. Wow. Those two boxes can be a 4 or 5. I need to know what this box is. Let me think. 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 3, 4. So this box should be also 3, 5. 3, 5. 3, 5, 4. This box cannot be a 1. We have a 1 here. Cannot be a 2. Cannot be a 3. Cannot be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. This was the needle. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be a 4. And this should be a 5. Now we have a 5 here. Those two boxes cannot be a 5. So one box left for the 5 should be here. And I've eliminated the 1. So the 1 goes here, and this should be a 4. Now we have a 5 here, so this can be 5, this should be a 3, and this should be a 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this can be 5, this should be a 3. The 4 and the 5 goes there. That means that this box cannot be a 5, otherwise I cannot fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. So this should be a 3. So here we have 4 and a 5. Now we have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3 anymore, this should be the 3. And this should be a 5, now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be 5 anymore, this should be the 5. And this should be a 4. Yeah. This box... 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. This box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. 3, 4. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can be a 5. This box can be a 5, so the 5 should be here. And I've eliminated the 3 should be there, and the 4 goes here. Now we have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be a 4. This box cannot be a 3, so the 3 goes in those two boxes. And the 4 then... we have a 4 here, so this box cannot be a 4. This should be the 4, and this should be a 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this box cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5, so one box left for the 5 should be here. One box left for the 3, and this should be a 4. Alright, solved in 40 minutes, so it's not really a 4 stars, I believe. Yeah, 4 stars. I need more than 30 minutes. I'm very pleased, very pleased. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe and hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Yes, see you tomorrow on Tuesday. And yeah, I'm today I'm very surprised with the binary 9 by 9, not 8 by 8, 9 by 9. All right, see you next time. Bye bye for now.